Okay, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Yeah, this is a quick reaction to update from Biafran Liberation Army, and this is from Biafran Prime Minister's office. This video you are seeing here is what happened in Abia State from Biafran Elite Squad. So I would like to play the video so that you yourself will hear what happened. This is just a quick video. It's not a long video, to be honest. But before then, let's read what PM said. The write-up that he attached to the video. He said, breaking: the terrorists enforcing disappearances of Biafran people are not doing well again. This is a rescue operation by the Biafran Elite Squad. They have successfully rescued the innocent Biafran kidnapped by the terrorist police Nigeria, something like that, and neutralized the terrorists in their numbers. Going forward, our target is to stop them from enforcing the disappearance of our young men. It is a task that must be done. They can go and clean up the place with body bags. Our people have been rescued after heavy battle. Now listen to this. Just bear.
It's life and direct. Elite sport. We are in Abia State, life and direct. Who are you? Now we know be there. One number two. Let's go, G. Call everything over here. Now we know be there. Back everything over here. Back everything at 10. Now we know be them. Oh yeah, come out. You don't bullet. Come out too. Now we know be them. What is the code? What is the code? What is the code? Look at the people we serve. They are just arresting our people. This is an Igbo person, Biafra person. They just arrest. We have rescued him. Take cover. Man, it's not good. They have shooting. This is Biafra Elite Squad. We are live and direct at Umeka, Abia State, Biafra land. Open the door. Go everything over here. Now we don't go over them. Now we know be them. Now we know be them. Now we know be them. Open in our water. What is the code? What is the code? Come. Who's this motor?
Now let's go to the comment of people reacting to this video, because like I said, the video is a very short one, but it has a lot of meaning. So according to what PM said, that these people that you have, I think you have seen them, like the guy that was kind of trying to live around, is one of the people that they kidnapped or they arrest for no just reason. Disappearance of young people in Biafra land is not just a rumor. You can see that on the video. Now, the comment we have here from someone they called, this person is Daniel Somtochukwu, says, now we know be them. These are warlords that are fighting for their freedom and freedom of their people with high morale and joy. I still regard men. That's what he said. So another comment is from CV Best, says Biafran Elite Squad showing true strength and dedication to protect their people. Every rescue is a powerful step towards safety and justice. Salute to their bravery and commitment. And another person said, BES, Biafran Elite Squad, to the victim, come out. Kidnapped victim, okay, daddy. That is trying to say what the person said, that the conversation between the two people, Biafran Elite Squad, and the victim of the people that they kidnapped, that you saw on the video. So a lot of comment here, and I will just pick a few of them. Says Kelela TV is in a high spirit, preaching as Holy Ghost direct. Anyway, that our brother is trying, and we have another comment here. I'm trying to pick few comments.
and I will show you love.
This one said, please, my PM, help our brother. I don't understand what this is all about. Anyway, let me not just go through different videos, because I can see that most of the comment here has to do with videos, which somehow interrupting what we are doing. Let's move to another thing. So here is another operation from Biafran Elite Squad, and PM said here, Biafran Elite Squad is rescue mission as the terrorists ppers. That is, I think, real safety. Is it real safety code? No, I don't know the meaning of this RRX, to be honest with you. And he said at Aba in the same Abia state, and many Biafrans they kidnapped were successfully rescued. And of course, you cannot allow them to use the facility for their terrorism and criminality again. Now, hear the video. Hear what happened here. Just a short video. Listen.
This is Biafra, Biafra, Elite Squad. We are live at the red. Live at the red. At Umeka. We are doing a miracle. Biafra. We are in our arrest. At Target, Umeka. Yes, we are the Biafrans. We are the Biafrans. We will conquer any idiot that said that Biafra will not rule. That person will die. If you say that Biafra will not rule, you die. Your family will die. Everything you get in this will die. Nobody, no idiot. Let's go and put this down. Let's go here. Let's go here. Biafrans, Biafrans, Biafrans. This is Elite Squad. This is Biafra Elite Squad. We have done all our people. All our people they hold. We have released all the prisoners. The stupid idiots, they catch our brothers and so punish them and arrest them to be using them for money. Now today, we have bet them out. We have ruled. We are the Biafrans. We are the Biafrans. We are the Biafrans. This is Biafra Elite Squad. We have conquered. Let's go to the other side. That you do. We need to go. Huh? Guys, somebody come. Come. Mula, come. Come. You don't carry.
So people also comment on this one, and one of the person that said something that is caught my attention is Christopher Okenwa. He said, can you feel the pain in their voice? The people yearning for freedom and sanity. That pain will turn into joy and peace of mind when Biafra stand as a sovereign nation. This comment is one in a million. I love that comment, to be honest with you. And another person said this. That is SMMG. Said, thank be to God and mercy. And before then, we have this our brother or sister. We saw his comment in the first one, and he says something interesting as well. He said the Biafran Elite Squad is showing unmatched courage in rescuing the kidnapped Biafrans and reclaiming Aba from terrorism. Their dedication to protect, I don't know what protecting their people and their land is truly inspiring. Stand strong. The mission is for peace and justice. Now, these are Biafran commenting, and with joy for sure. And that is what the people are saying. You can see a lot of comment here, so many of them. If you have to go through all of them, we are not going to end this program. So, like I promised, to make it snappy. So, as the operation of Biafran Elite Squad is going on in Aba, Biafran Liberation Army or Biafran Defense Force are also, on a mission in a different location. Now listen. GM said the Nigerian terrorist army are not doing well again. They are quickly to carry them in body bag, but they are not telling their gullible supporters how they are falling in Biafra land. We they see you, they knock you, but you cannot see us. Power to BDF. Anyway, let's go through the comment on this one, just one or two, then we move forward. But before then, let's hear what the video is all about. Pay attention.
Just for the moment. Oh, Coca-Cola, not I live and I can't shoot to Guamjilo. We're going to pass you pro. About one cash pro the vagabond. Go pass you pro the vagabond an hour. Look at your parameter and I hear. I pass you pro the vagabond where one. Go back, cash you pro. I will announce if I thought I will not be the you said that, not them. Maybe I just for the moment to get it. Maybe I just for the moment. So we should go on I'm only moving on. I'm not Bobu how. But how I got on them high. I did put here the collector. When I went back.
So that is one of the soldiers there reporting from the base. Anyway, let's move forward. Now, hear what Biafrans are saying on the comment. This person said, "Great job to our gallant men on ground. May Elohim Chukwuka Abiyama continue be their shield as he lead them to a complete and total freedom. All hail Biafra, all hail to BDF, all hail to Simon Ekpa, Biafra Prime Minister, all hail to Biafra government in exile." Ojidile said, Ojadile, I think that's what he said. He said, "I am not happy that I am buying them, but I have to protect myself and people. It is called self-defense. Biafrans have the best mindset on earth. Heavenly minded people, from what this beautiful soul said here. One can dedicate that Biafran, one can deduce that Biafran Defense Force is God's creative work." Because if you have listened to what this Biafran soldier said on that video that I just watched now, he said that he's not happy sending them to judgment, but he have no other choice than to do that just to protect our people and protect himself as well. So that's what this comment is saying here. So my people, like I said, it's gonna be a quick and short video. Thank you so much for your time. I just want to share this update with us, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Tell me what you think about the operation of Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran Elite Squad, and Biafran Defense Force. You know, everywhere is busy, to be honest with you. What do you think? What is your stand on this? I want to hear from you on comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, tell us where you are watching from, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.